Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. Are we bearish? Is this a crash we need to worry about? And many more things. Before we continue, join the monthly subscription, buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto to get easy profits by trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get market updates, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and thank you for all the support. We are going to dive quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. What we are having right now is Bitcoin. I will be seeing all this stuff right there. Of course, you know we had a bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame and it's played out. Now we've stopped a little bit down from the 50-day MA, had a good buying pressure on the daily frame, and we want to see where are we going. But first we are going to the 4-hour frame again, and we are going to see some major things right there. First of all, you can see that the 200 EMA right here is the blue line. That means that we get to know some things right there, including when to buy and when to sell. When we have a buying entry, for example, when we have actually an impulsive wave, I am back into the January 2021, where we had the extreme impulsive wave on Bitcoin. We had it few days before, but I'm going there on purpose. You can see that on an impulsive wave, when we go down from the 200 EMA on the 4-hour frame, it is a great rebuying entry. That means where we are right now, we should be accumulating some more Bitcoin instead of selling. Do not sell, do not have paper hands, because then if you sell, someone else buys your dip, and then in the next few days you will be regretting selling your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever altcoin it is, because it is dragging down all the altcoins. Okay. So what we have right now is that once we get a bearish market though, here as well, we had a bearish, very nice, huge crash right there. And you can see that there we were going all the way down. Of course, this wouldn't be a great rebuying entry on the 200 EMA. But there we were approaching a very huge top right there. On the weekly frame, we had a very high risk on the daily as well. Right now, things are different. Here as well, you can see that we had the price going below the 200 EMA, the first reaccumulation phase, and the second was here. You should be buying more here and here. So there you can see that we went all the way upwards and you would have profits. The same thing happens around here as well. Accumulate some here, and if we get a little bit further down, accumulate more. This is how the best buying strategy works. And of course, we can have some support levels in which we want to stay in. For example, if we draw our fib from this bottom right there up to this top, you will see that we had a huge buying pressure, and we want to see if we will close below or not the 0.786 Fibonacci support level tool, the 60,278 USDT for Bitcoin. If we manage to do that, it is very possible to continue our journey upwards even higher and sooner. At the same time, I am waiting Bitcoin to consolidate, going a little bit sideways till around 24th November or 30th November. Around these 2 dates, I think that Bitcoin will start going even higher. For the time being though, you can see that we had a huge sell pressure. We are below the 200 EMA easier than we went back here, for example, because you can see that we had like a minus 8%, a minus 2%. I think in the daily frame it was like a minus 11%. But right now you can see that we were down like minus 4% right here, and just a little bit here and here as well, and we are down from the 200 EMA. You can see that we had some correction right going on through here, but this is more like not a crash actually, but more like a little bit of a decrease and a more steady decrease than before as well. You can see that this was a more of a sudden drop. We had a more sudden crash right there. But right here, we were going a little bit sideways, going up again, and then we had the correction going on. So if we close below this 60,278, and by what I mean by close below, I mean the body of the candlestick has to go below and close below in the next 1 hour below this support level. If we do that, then it is very possible that we get down into the next support levels, in which we might get another 57,800, which we were down here as well. We might be getting a double bottom around there and continue our way upwards. But the truth is, and the best part is, that we found a huge buying pressure right here. So that's what I liked on Bitcoin. For example, right now you can see that we can go even higher into the 73,000 Tether USD, which is the next target for Bitcoin as it is right now. And I think that we can make it. I think that we can go in there, and this is a very healthy correction. You shouldn't be worried about. And we are going now to Ethereum, and I will discuss some things more on Bitcoin as well. But on Ethereum, you can see that a short-term target right there, we found huge buying pressure on the 0.786, and now we are battling to close above even the 0.618. Yes, we had a correction going on, and we still have, and we might be getting even lower, but at the same time, you do not know how much in a loss you will be if you sell right now. Back on the Bitcoin, for example, let's go to Bitcoin again, and you can see that back on the Bitcoin on the daily frame, okay, we are going on the daily frame, and we are going back on 21st January around there. You can see that on 21st January, we had a minus 13% correction. We should be worried there, and we should be saying that Bitcoin is going all the way down, right? But instead, it went upwards. So what I want to say is that you should be not taking the charts all the time, and you should be trusting in Bitcoin and in the technical analysis right now. The reason that we corrected a little bit right now was that the bearish RSI divergence played out, but at the same time, we are going even higher. And this is not a correction we should be worried about. This is not a correction we should be afraid. You can see that there we had a correction as well, and it was a perfect entry. Even if we get down from the 200 EMA, it is not bearish. You can see back then we went down from the 200 EMA. Although now it is I think it is far more difficult to get down from the 200-day EMA. Because as you can see here, it was the first wave after consolidating and correcting. But now it is the second wave after correcting. So I do not think that the 200 EMA will reach the price, okay? Because exponential moving averages are weighted more by the recent price action. This is the difference with simple moving averages. I really truly believe that even if we go a little bit further down, I think this is the best thing to reaccumulate right now, both Bitcoin and of course if we had to have like a 200 EMA on Ethereum as well. Let's open it. You can see that right now we are below the 200 EMA for Ethereum as well. And what we had is going back down from the 200 EMA again here and here. So these things are perfect to just reaccumulate. You need now to reaccumulate your position right there, and you need to buy more. Do not spend all your money though into this price target and for Bitcoin into here. You should be giving some for Bitcoin as well, and if we go further down, you should be buying more. And the next price target is 73,000 Tether USD, in which I think we will find a little bit of a sell pressure right there, or even better at the 80k. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Buy me a coffee/mind your crypto. Easy profits. You trade 200 altcoins. You can reallocate your portfolio from loss to profits. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.